In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create an in and out point in Adobe After Effects. So usually when you render your animation, your project, it will take the entire timeline in Adobe After Effects, but you can change this. So the point where you want to begin, you're going to create an in point by pressing B on your keyboard and then slide your ruler to where you want to end it. And then you're going to press N. And now we have an in point and an out point. And when you choose to render this animation or this video, it will only render this tiny bit. So not the entire timeline, just from 0 to 4 seconds. And that's how you set your in and out point in Adobe After Effects. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.